Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show how to prepare these tender fish fillets smeared in a simple marinade of lime juice, salt and pepper, seared golden brown. Delicious, isn't it? So without further ado, let's get started. Clean the fish fillets thoroughly with salt and water. I took boneless fish fillets around 350 grams. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Add lemon juice. Rub lemon juice to each fish fillet. Sprinkle salt as required. Coat all the fillets with salt on the both sides. Pepper powder 2 tablespoons. Sprinkle pepper all over the fillets. Coat well with pepper. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. Red chili flakes 1 tablespoon. If you don't have red chili flakes, then you can grind 4 dried red chilies coarsely. Dark soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Add dark soya sauce. If you don't have dark soya sauce, you can add normal soya sauce as well. Red chili sauce 2 tablespoon. If you want it to be more spicy, then you can add red chili sauce 3 tablespoon. Crushed garlic 1 tablespoon. I took around 6 garlic cloves and crushed them coarsely. Olive oil 2 tablespoons. You can use any other vegetable oil as well. Add oil. Mix all the ingredients well. So our marination sauce must be of this consistency. Our marination sauce is ready. Keep it aside. Now start adding the marination sauce to all the fish fillets. Rub the sauce so that it seeps into the fish. Coat all the fish fillets well with the sauce. Flip the fish fillets. Apply the marination sauce well all over the fish fillets on the other side also. Coat them well and marinate the fish fillets for at least 20 minutes. Take a grill pan and preheat it for 30 seconds on a high flame. Olive oil 1 tablespoon. The taste of the fish enhances when cooked with the olive oil. Spread the oil all over the pan. Now start adding the fish fillets one by one. Keep it on a medium flame and cook it for 5 minutes. Now flip the fish fillets. After flipping them, again apply the marination sauce. Now keep it on a low flame and cook them well for 5 minutes. Flip them very carefully as they become very tender at this stage. Similarly, repeat the process of applying the sauce and flipping the fish fillets one by one. After flipping, cook them well on a high flame for a minute and they will be done. So our tasty and spicy grilled fish is ready. Tender from inside and grilled from outside. Hope you will definitely give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment below.